Hey guys, Gage Goulding here with KPRC 2 on Matagorda Bay. Time now around 12:30 in the morning. We are seeing strengthening bands from Hurricane Beryl. I just want to show you this light really helping illuminate just how strong these wind gusts are. And the best way to show that is we're going to go take a little measurement of this is coming through. The house is protecting us from the wind, but as I put my arm out here, you'll see just how strong wind gusts are. That sound. The high speed right here, 93.9 mile per hour gust. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Yeah, still see that 93.9 mile per hour gust. Wow, too high. It actually broke the scale there. It's high. Let me reboot and try one more time. Because I imagine that was nearby. It did not read. We'll go one more time. Is expected, yeah, once again high, so it is actually more than what this anemometer can hold. So that says it enough. The highest reading that we got was 93.9. Boy, oh boy, is that strong. We're live. We're not live, but we're here in Matagorda Bay, and we'll be live all night on KPRC2. We'll talk to you soon.